Hey everybody, welcome back. So if you watched my short from a while ago, you'll know I took advantage of that deal at Harbor Freight where if you bought a 5 amp hour Hercules battery and the fast charger, they'll give you a free tool. What I needed really was a 1/2-inch compact impact driver, so they had one. These came out about a year ago at $100, and they've been discounted to $64.95 now. So I picked that because I need one and I don't have one. I haven't even opened this thing yet. Honestly, it's 110 degrees out where I live, and I don't plan on doing much in the way of vehicle work. Okay, there we go. We're out of the package. We've got the manual and we've got the belt clip. And we have the tool. Now this cost price, the $64 is obviously the tool only. Man, it's little. Holy cow, that's the size of a 3/8 driver. That is tiny. Seems kind of hefty. Well made, short. These are only about 6 inches long. I mean, I've got good size hands. I'm 6'4" and 230, so I have good size hands. Yeah, I've gained 20 pounds from my weight loss a couple of years ago. I got to do something about that, but there you have it. Let's get that battery on there, and let's make sure it makes some noises. Battery, I think, has a meter on it. It does. See if it shows fully charged. Yay. So let's get it on there. Doing everything one-handed today for some reason. I must just like doing things the hard way. Normally I put the camera on something, but today I didn't, so there we go. And it's got 3 speeds. What was that? That was 3. How do you change it? There you go. Speed, oh, I see. It's got one button. It changes all. There's speed 1. That's pretty slow. There's speed 2. I keep wanting to press where the light is. And it's got a single LED under it, as you can see. And there's 3. Does it say what the RPMs of those are? So speed 1 is 0 to 1,000 and 0 to 1,300 blows per minute. Speed 2 is 0 to 1,700 RPM and 0 to 2,000 blows per minute. And speed 3 is 0 to 2,200 RPM and 0 to 2,400 blows per minute. And it looks like you can, no, I don't know. So there we have it. Let's get it out and let's test it. Seems kind of nice. Honestly, I'm surprised something that small will work for lug nuts. So just for a fun size comparison, here's the Hart 1/4-inch impact driver with a 4 amp hour battery on it up against the Hercules 1/2-inch impact driver with a 5 amp hour battery on it. And as you can see, there's not much difference in size. It's pretty amazing how small this is. Okay, so let's see if this is going to work. This ain't going to be a big test for it, really. These lug nuts are torqued to 80 foot-pounds. I don't know if you can see it here, but I am set on 80. I'm sure I've already torqued them, but you know what? Let's test this one out here. And 80 foot-pounds. Like I say, 80 foot-pounds shouldn't be much of a test for it. I'm going to set it to level 3. I can't even see it out here in the damn sun. Level 3. There we go. We're set to level 3. And we're set to loosen. So let's see if it has any trouble with 80 foot-pounds. Yeah, none whatsoever. Alright. I read some reviews on the Harbor Freight site that said it wouldn't even loosen lug nuts. And I thought, well, that's no damn good. So this might be pretty interesting. Here's an old trailer hitch part off my Jeep that I took off and left off when I made the new bumpers. I have my snap-on impact. I don't know if you can read that, or my snap-on torque wrench. I don't know if you can read that. It's set to 250 foot-pounds. I have a snap-on, what is that, 1 1/8 inch socket. And this is a 3/4 bolt with a big ass nut and I think a 2-inch trailer ball on it. So, and it's rusty as shit. So I know I'm breaking the rust away. You know what? I haven't done anything to it yet, so let's see how this can break, how this can break that rusty thing loose. I don't know what it's torqued to be honest. It might be loose for all I know. Battery is still at 4 bars. I have not charged it. So let's see if it'll get this loose. I am set to power level 3. Oh, yeah, that might not even have been tight. So let me tighten it up and let's torque it. Let's torque it to 250 foot-pounds. Because that's as high as this torque wrench goes. And I don't have a 3/4 inch torque wrench or any way to go higher. So, okay. Oh, I got all my weight on that. Okay. I might not get that. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, 250 foot-pounds of torque. That was all my 230 pounds on it, by the way. 230 to get 250. All right, let's see if it'll loosen it. I honestly don't know if it will or not. I gotta tell you, I think this is more than I would ask of something this size. I think if it was me, I'd go get my bigger one. But let's see if it'll do it. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Did you think this would do it in the comment section down below? Here we go. Piece of cake. Not even difficult for it. Didn't even have to hammer on it for any period of time. I think that's pretty amazing. Okay, if I haven't mentioned it, I did pay for this tool with my own money. I bought it on a deal where if you bought a 5 amp hour battery and a fast charger for 99 bucks, you could get a free tool. I picked this 1/2 inch compact as my free tool. And Harbor Freight doesn't know me from Adam. Well, you know, that's really not correct. Years ago, probably 2-3 years ago, I applied for a Harbor Freight affiliate account. And I wasn't even asking for free stuff. I was just saying, hey, Harbor Freight, let me help sell some of your tools and give me a tiny commission in return. And they denied me. They said no. So there's no love lost between me and Harbor Freight. I buy a lot of stuff down there simply because everybody does. It's good stuff at good prices. So I do buy their stuff. So I paid for this with my own money. And I got to say, I'm pretty impressed with it. I'm actually shocked at the amount of power it has. I mean, I was reading stuff that would say it couldn't loosen lug nuts on passenger cars. To whoever is saying that, you're either lying or you got a lemon or your battery's not charged up. I don't know what to say to people like that. It just loosened for me a nut on a 3/4 inch, rusty nut on a 3/4 inch bolt that I had torqued to 250 foot-pounds. So if this isn't loosening your lug nuts, something's seriously wrong. So I'm impressed with this. I think for its size, it's going to fit in a lot of tight places and it's going to do a lot of good work for me. And I have to admit it, I do recommend it. So Harbor Freight, if you're watching this, you messed up because I still like your tools despite the fact that you don't seem to like me. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I put an affiliate link down there, but hey, I can't because they wouldn't give me an affiliate account. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.